In this video, I'll be going over how I've made over $7,000 so far with Amazon KDP since starting with Amazon KDP in 2021. So first, I just want to start with ads because I feel like this is one of the top questions I always get. My current ad spend is $98.98. And let me see, this got me 73 orders. So I currently don't really run that many ads. I haven't done any other sort of paid marketing. I did post a few YouTube shorts, I think, about some of my books and maybe in my YouTube videos, but that's about it. I don't really do any sort of marketing. This is mostly just all organic sales. So 73 orders came from running ads and just showing down here. I have date range set to current lifetime. And then these two campaigns here are my most right now. Let me see. 72 orders came from these two campaigns. So this is for scrapbook paper, and the other one is for, I think, a sketchbook. And I'm not sure what the other order is from, if I'm being honest. I don't completely remember right now. But my average cost per click, 10 cents, and 105,294 impressions. So I haven't actually run ads since August 2023, and I'm not sure if or when I may run them again right now. I just currently don't have the time or extra finances to be running ads. They just take up a lot of time and effort for me as I am still learning and trying to figure them out. I feel like there's just so much to learn with ads that you can always learn something new, in my opinion. So back to my royalties, I'm currently at $7,366.48, which is just unbelievable to me for something that I almost didn't even start. I started KDP in December 2021. It says right here December 24th, 2021. I'm not sure if that's the day I first got a sale or I first had a book actually go live on the dashboard. But I started because I wrote my own personal book called It's All in Your Head: How I Got Diagnosed with Celiac Disease. And that is still for sale on Amazon. I have that in ebook, paperback, and hardcover. Most of my sales all came from friends and family, but that's as expected. I don't claim to be a writer or anything like that. And I currently have 270 books in my dashboard. So I started my business off pretty slow. I really did not make many sales at all. I wanted to find a way to publish my personal book for free. So that's how I got into Amazon KDP. And then when I was looking at tutorials and figuring out how to actually be successful with creating my own book and putting it out there, I noticed that people are making a lot of money publishing books on Amazon KDP, specifically low content books, because I don't feel super confident creating high content. Medium content, I'm okay. I'm really not the best, if I'm being honest. So low content book publishing seems to be where I find my most success in right now. So I first started with just publishing notebooks, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can create a notebook, post it on here, and make money. Yeah, well, it's actually not that simple. My first few notebooks are pretty bad. I think I've unpublished most of them by now. It's definitely not that simple, just creating a book in 10 minutes and posting it, like some of the videos I watched said that it was that easy. So let me just show you the line chart and then the bar chart. So to give you that little difference. And looking at the chart here, in June 2022 is when I bought the Passive Income Accelerator program. And that program is incredible. I'm not sure if it's even for sale anymore, but that actually taught me how to properly make sales organically and create my content. So in July, you see that there's a pretty big spike in my dashboard right there, a big spike for me. I ended up making over $100 that month, and I was just like so excited about it. And then in August 2022, I actually made over $200, I believe, and that was just amazing. And then I kind of stopped working the business, it leveled out a bit. And then in January 2023 is when things got even more interesting because I actually bought the Low Content Profits Academy course by Rachel Harrison Sons. If I didn't buy it in January, which I'm pretty sure I did, then it was probably February. And the course is right here. I am an affiliate for the course currently, but even before I was an affiliate, I still love this course. You don't have to buy it off of my link if you don't want to. Either way, I'm going to recommend this because it was really, really good, and I still love the course. I'm not sure if I even ever finished it because there are hours and hours of content, and Rachel is constantly updating the course. So I highly recommend checking it out. At least I have noticed some updates. Like it's just really nice. So I recommend looking into it. So I got laid off from my corporate job, and I really wanted to start working for myself. So I was unemployed for quite a while. I did receive a severance from my job, but I didn't start work again until I believe 6 months or so after, and I did have to get another full-time corporate job because I did not make enough online, unfortunately, consistently to sustain myself without one. But that's okay because I started creating more books. So I took her course, created more books, and in January 2023, you can see I also had another spike. And then my highest month so far, August 2023, I made over $500. And that is just unbelievable to me. That's amazing. My main niche is scrapbook paper, craft paper pad. My top 10 right now for all the books over all the current time is actually nine scrapbook paper, craft paper pad, one coupon book, and then my 11th is a sketchbook. But majority of all my sales come from the scrapbook paper, craft paper pad niche, and that's why I created my own course specifically for this niche, the scrapbook craft paper success guide. It's currently half off, just about. It's $49.99, so about 50% off. And this course is going to go over how I've been able to be successful in this niche, what I actually create, like my process. I'll have an over the shoulder part. I'm going to have so much information in this course. I've been working really hard on it, and if you do buy this course, you will get access to any and all updates that I put in the course, and you'll also get a email specifically to contact me with only if you purchase this course, and I can help you however you'd like. Just ask any questions related to Amazon KDP. If you need help uploading your book, finding a niche, things like that, it'll be a way for you to contact me directly. So, pretty excited about that. Of course, you can ask questions as much as you want my YouTube channel, but this is going to be a more direct way to access different types of content and ask questions to me, and I will be prioritizing these emails as well, and I'll try to provide as much detail. So that's one perk of the course, and I'll have like interior cover, niche keyword research tools, just so much information in here. So in case you are interested in that, I'll have a link to that in the description below, as well as to Rachel's course, and I'm just super excited for this. It is going to be launching on July 1st, 2024. So I definitely recommend checking that out, and I greatly appreciate the support so much. So moving over to back to my royalties, orders, things like that, we're up to August. And then it's kind of just been going up and down quite a bit. I mean, things change, the economy changes. I stopped creating books. A lot of this is passive income. I haven't created many books in probably about a year. I've created maybe one or two, really not that many. This is just the old reports view to show the different units sold. So my highest so far is 236 in a month. And then just kind of goes through my lowest. I made, let's see, three. That might be my lowest, three in April 2022. And I almost gave up because I started getting some hate comments on my YouTube channel. And you're always going to get hate comments. I just got one the other day. And it's unfortunate that it happens, but it's probably going to. But I post this channel to document my journey because I'm somebody with absolutely no experience that started Amazon KDP. Literally none. I had no idea what I was doing. I taught myself through YouTube and then purchasing some courses and tools to help me. But I'm not a very artistic or creative person. I have no experience prior to doing this, and I just want to share my journey and hopefully inspire others to start as well, because just trying to imagine without having this extra income, this is over $7,000. Yes, of course, I spent some money on courses, Canva, things like that. I don't think I've spent over a grand. I just don't think that that happened. I've spent a few $100s on courses, few $100s on tools, and that's all I can really think of. Marketing, not even $100 yet, a little under $100 right now. So still over $6,000 in profit, most likely, is just unbelievable. Like, I'm not even sure, how I would be able to buy things without having this extra income. Like, this has truly been a blessing to me. And I'm not saying that to brag or anything like that. I mean, I'm not making thousands and thousands a month right now, But if I can make a few $100s a month, I can duplicate that and make more. And then, I can create courses like this. I have affiliate income, brand deals, like all of that adds up, and this has been really helpful. So I'm posting this video to inspire you and show you what's possible, and also show you that it's okay if your business has highs and lows. So right now I'm kind of in a lower part. I'm hoping I don't go any lower. Like right now for June, if you check out my mid-month income report, I'm much lower than typical, but it happens in businesses. I'm not running ads. I'm not really creating books. It's all passive income, so I can't really complain about it. And it's okay. There's going to be ups and downs. I mean, looking at this graph here, it goes up and down all the time. So it's completely normal and it's okay. People post more books, there's more competition, but there's still a way to make money online with Amazon KDP. So after I got the course in January, created the books, and since then I've kind of just been making passive income. So I hope this was helpful. I hope it was inspiring. And I have a lot of the tools or some of them that I use in the comments, or tools that I recommend as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I try to be as transparent as possible with my Amazon KDP business, and I would just love to help you succeed in your business as well. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great